Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and get Little Company installed inside your PC. So this is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now there are only one thing that you need to do in order to install Little Company, and that is by installing Steam. Now let's go ahead and open up our browser right here, and once inside you just want to go ahead and type Steam. Now, if you don't know what Steam is, this is basically one of the biggest video game digital game distributor services out there. So just go ahead and proceed to their official website, which is store.steampower.com. And inside, basically, you want to go ahead and install their application. You could just go ahead and see that right away at the top corner of the screen right here. Now go ahead and click on install Steam, and inside you will then be able to install Steam right here. Now after installing Steam, just go ahead and open it up and it will take you to this page right here. Now once inside, the first thing that you'll want to go ahead and do is to search for your preferred game, in which case our game is going to be Little Company. So just go ahead and type Little Company here, and then you will be able to click on your game. So just go ahead and click on it, and once inside you will then be able to purchase the game in order to play it. Right here it says purchase Little Company. Just go ahead and click on add to cart, and it will basically take you to this. You want to go ahead and click on purchase for myself, and then you will be able to play Little Company. So guys, if you enjoy and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.